So, I'm at the Statue of Liberty. I finally made it here. It was a long walk, and then I jumped on the hop on bus. So now, I'm just going to enjoy the view from here, because I didn't get the ferry. And the bushes catch. So, essentially what's going to happen now is I'm just going to watch that ferry leave without me on it, and I'm going to just look at the Statue of Liberty. Like, that's what I'm going to do. And then afterwards, because I've got my bus at 6, so I'm going to chill here for a bit, go get some food later, and then go catch my bus. The Statue of Liberty, if you don't know about it, was given to New York, or the United States, by the French. Essentially, I think it cost them $5 million.
From this distant vantage point, the Earth might not seem of any particular interest. But for us, it's different. Thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines. Every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization. Every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, every saint and sinner in the history of our species.
So yeah, this is what New York looks like. It's pretty busy. Not this side of town, but it's still pretty busy. NYPD. Police. Scary people. They're not very nice, but at least they do smile. Alright, so I'm at the Brooklyn Bridge. I've never been here before. This is my first time. Looks super cool. So I'm back in Times Square. Looks good. Doesn't. I'm hungry. I'm gonna look for some food. I was asked to go to a restaurant roll. So man's looking for restaurant roll. And this is going up. Like, so freaking cold. Got some tunes blasting. One of the brothers, isn't it? Rooftop, open top buses on a freaking winter. It's not an idea. It's so cold. I've got 6 layers on. Had to wear gloves, hat. Oh, fire! You can see fire. I'm gonna jump into a fire. Food.